In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the mileage rate in Expensify. Whether you're managing travel expenses for your company or just trying to keep your personal budget organized, updating mileage rates can be an essential part of staying accurate and current. So, let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process to transform how you manage those numbers. First things first, you'll want to start from your Expensify workspace. This is where all the magic happens and serves as the hub for managing expenses and policies within your organization. If you're new to this platform, don't worry. A workspace is essentially your dashboard for tracking and submitting reports. Once you're in your Expensify workspace, we're ready to proceed to the next step. The next thing you want to do is to click on Distance Rates. This option can be found within your workspace as it directly relates to the mileage rates we're aiming to adjust. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this section, especially if your job involves constant travel or if you're an admin managing these expenses for a team. Now, once you're in the Distance Rates section, you'll notice a setting labeled as the default rate. It's essential to click on this because the default rate serves as the baseline rate, applied to all standard mileage calculations unless otherwise specified. Adjusting this is key to ensuring that all mileage reimbursements are calculated accurately based on the most current rate. After you've clicked on the default rate, you'll see another option titled Rate. Clicking on this will bring you closer to adjusting the specific number. This is where you can personalize or update the mileage rate to align with either new company policies or governmental recommendations, which often change from year to year. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your desired rate. This is where you'll input the new mileage rate that fits your requirements. Be sure to double-check the numbers you enter, as accuracy is crucial here. Mistakes in mileage rates can lead to discrepancies in reimbursement amounts, and accuracy will save you from a lot of hassle in accounting corrections later on. Once you've entered the appropriate rate, the final critical step is to click on Save. Doing so will lock in the new rate, maintaining it until you decide to change it again. Saving is your confirmation step. It takes the changes you've made and applies them across all mileage calculations moving forward. Finally, after everything is saved, you might want to click to highlight or review what you've just entered. This allows you to make sure that the new settings are precisely what you intended, offering a quick overview for your peace of mind. There you have it. You've successfully changed the mileage rate in Expensify, ensuring all your future calculations will use this updated rate. Thank you for joining me, and see you in the next video.